Dad, I hate this.
Why?
It's boring. It's hot outside. And I can't catch any fish.
I went fishing with your grandfather every summer.
Really?
He was a very different person when he was fishing. He talked a lot.
But he was usually quiet. What did he talk about?
His life before he moved to Canada. Did you know that he was a doctor in France? But he really wanted to be an opera singer.
Grandpa? I don't believe it.
It's true.
Dad, did you invite me to go fishing because you want to talk more?
Yes. You moved to a new city, and now we don't talk much.
We don't need to go fishing to talk about things.
That's good. Because I think fishing is boring too.
Thank you for watching.